Yes, I'll take the paper. Daddy's got the garbage bag. Open it. Open. Keep going. Come on, you're going to send me your pictures for this.
What you got?
Look at that, Mia. You got a big girl chair. You got a big girl chair.
Cody, come here.
Look, Zachary got a big girl chair.
I put her in there.
Say thank you, Santa.
Matt, wave hi to Sarah.
Horse chair. Yeah.
Very nice.
Look at that.
There's Joe in his Santa hat. I'm filming this.
You want to sit near Mia? Put your chair near Mia. Say, excuse me, Matt. No, not on me.
Awesome. Kimberly's butt in the video.
Cody,
What you got, Zachary?
look at that. That's nice chair. That's nice. Thank you, Santa. Cody.
Come here. You can't be in the middle of a picture.
Cody, come. Stay. Sit.
Zachary, can you say hi? Hi.
Yeah. She can get up too. That's okay. Go, man.
You want me to open mine now?
Well, you better